In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can know if somebody has blocked you on Instagram or not. Before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on to how to fix this problem. So over here, Abhinav Timla has blocked me, alright? So if I click on his profile, I can still message him. In the past, if you were blocked by somebody, you couldn't message them. But now you can easily message them. The only problem is they are not going to get the notification. So from your end, it looks like you're sending them message, but actually they're not receiving any notification. They can't see anything. So this new feature of Instagram now allows you to send message even if you're blocked by the other person. So you have to try a next method in order to know if you're blocked or not. The next method is this. Try to search their account. So this person, Abhinav Timla, has blocked me. So if I click on the search icon at the bottom and click on search at the top and write the person's name, nothing is going to be shown over here, literally. Now I have already showed you that the person under this name exists, but when I search for it, nothing is being shown. That's one thing you can do in order to know if you're blocked. The other thing is just go inside the message, click on the person's name at the top, click on versus profile, and if you go on profile, it says no internet connection, and it doesn't show you its follower number, its following number. Even if you try to follow them, you can't, as you guys can see. This is the other steps you can do in order to know if you're blocked or not. If you try to follow them and you just can't, then that means you're basically blocked. Now my phone has internet connection. As you guys can see, every video over here is going to play. So I can't say like, I don't have internet. So I do have internet, but it's still showing me no internet connection when I visit the profile, which means I am blocked. So that's how we know if you're blocked or not on Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel app tutorial. I'll see you guys next time.